Okay, so basically, we have chips.
We have chips, and there's like millions of seagulls.
As you can see, the chips are seagulls.
Okay, so we're gonna throw a chip and show you what happens. You ready?
No. And then they follow us. So, yeah.
Alright, fuck off.
Just gonna make a YouTube video eating chips and seagulls following us. Pretty cool. We'll meet you at the... And we are back at Lily's house. Watching Full House.
Full house.
Full House. That's what I said. And she's braiding her hair.
Yeah.
With Lumen's.
And then I'm doing cakes.
Yeah. And I'm sitting on her chair. Just...
Are you really on you or me?
Me.
Oh my god.
Sitting at the chair, not my chair.
My chair, because I have 2 desks. One of them has a mirror. The other one has a bookshelf.
4. At home.
Are they in your room?
3 of them are.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Okay. Oh no, technically I have 4 in my room because
I have 5.
Lucky gave me one, so technically I have 8. Wait, no. That's not how math works. Technically I have
6.
6.
Yeah, me neither.
Yes. No.
Wait, no, I missed
4.
it. I missed it because we were talking. Stop talking, your butthole.
I'm just disappointed.
Yeah, but movies are boring.
I completely understand. Nothing unprofessional.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
Yeesh.
You guys want to watch this all day?
No, that's copyright. Can't do that.
It's okay.
Until you get fined $100.
It's okay, my AMV hasn't got copyrighted yet.
Really?
Yep.
How's that possible?
All I have to do is put the respective owners in the description. So we are. So we are probably going to do something later. Any ideas what we're going to do later?
What?
Any ideas what we're going to do later?
Each other's makeup.
No.
I do yours, you do me.
No.
I
No.
won't do your eyebrows.
My eyebrows. All foundation.
Oh, you're so
Why?
I don't like foundation.
Yeah, well, I don't like you.
I know.
The universe could be wrong.
Queen.
Put down my deodorant.
Yeah, me neither.
Why are you upset with me?
This video is getting very boring so far.
Just disappointed.
Yeah, so pause it.
For your father
No.
for 7 years, 3 months, and 6, and he's always talked about.
So what are we gonna do?
But I get it. You're a son.
You
What?
know, I did run my own clinic in Miami, so it's not.
What are we gonna do?
You're a great vet.
I'm not sure.
Like that too.
I'm going to make Moon Band.
And I've always dreamed
Yeah?
of owning my own business.
Okay.
Oh. And I got bored of that.
You get
Right,
bored
India.
with everything.
How about this little
Yeah, but Moon Bands are boring.
Not
This little
really.
piggy went to market. Whoa. Gentle.
I'm gonna end this video because this is very boring, so
It's gonna get fun later.
yeah, I'm gonna make a new video later.
Guests are gonna be here
About your braids.
So I went to the store
Your
you
hair.
suggested.
Yeah.
So